Here I have VIVO IQOO Z5X, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button record screen. So you tap on it once, then agree with terms of use of this feature. So here you can enable display touch trajectory, you can select sound source, you can change picture quality, and you can also enable do not disturb when you're recording, so nobody will interrupt you. So to start recording, you just tap on this button and recording starts immediately. So you just record anything you want. You can pause your recording by tapping on these two stripes button. Then you can play it again by tapping on the triangle. And when you're done recording, tap on this red square here, and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called Screen Recordings. And here it is. Recording starts immediately. So you just record anything you want. You can pause again by tapping on the... So from here you can share, edit, compress, delete your recording, or perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.